How to change language in VK on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change language in VK app using your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application VK. After you find it, tap on that. From the section, tap on language over here. And from your, as usual, on the section other language, you can choose your preferred language for VK. Simply choose any one of this language from here. After you choose it, that language will directly add it on VK app after you restart that application. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.